This touching story shows the lengths some people will go to be close to their loved ones during the pandemic. You may have seen this on KTLA earlier today. A Florida woman took a job as a dishwasher to be with her husband. Mary Daniel says coronavirus kept them apart for more than 3 months because long-term care facilities are not allowed to accept visitors. Her 66-year-old husband has Alzheimer's and lives at a memory care center in Jacksonville. But his caregivers told Mary his health was declining without her daily visits. So they offered her a job as a dishwasher so she could see him at the end of her shift. Mary says the hard labor is worth it to be able to spend time with her husband of 24 years. Listen.
He saw me and he said, "Mary," and we hugged, and just like I had thought it would be, just to hold him again after 114 days is just an amazing feeling.
Precious. Again, they've been married for 24 years.
Maybe the nicest thing I've ever heard.
So sweet.
That's unreal. Wow.